inspiring you to do the same. Before we jump into today's vlog, I wanted to share with you guys that today's video is sponsored by Bellway. They have been saving my life here lately. Back at the end of 2019, I had to have my gallbladder removed because I was having gallstones, which was causing excruciating pain for me. But even before then, I've always had issues with being regular. This is a little TMI, but we're family here, so I want to share this information with you guys. So staying regular has always been an issue for me, and so I came across Bellway. I'm so happy to be partnering with them for this video. I did receive the strawberry lemonade. So this Bellway Beauty is been working wonders for me. It's a powder that you mix in with water simply. My favorite thing to do in the mornings is to mix it with a smoothie, but at nighttime, like today is nighttime, we just got it from date night. I just ate some good food. So before I go to bed at night, the simplest thing for me to do is to take 2 scoops of this powder and just simply mix it in a glass of water. 8 to 12 ounces is best. And you can add more if it's a little thick for you. But this has been wonderful with helping me stay full throughout the day when I drink it in the morning times with my smoothies. So once you have your water in your glass, all you have to do is mix it in and it will dissolve. Also, all natural and organic, so that is always a plus. It has 0 grams of sugar and it's flavored with real fruit, so it tastes so much better than other brands. It's safe to drink 1 to 3 times a day. I've just been doing 2, and I started off with 1 scoop per day just to get my body used to it, but I've increased to 2 here recently, and it's been amazing with keeping me regular. Once you think you have all of it dissolved, you can always add more water if it seems to still be a little too thick for you. So if you do decide to purchase it, you can get it in a tub like this one here, which is 13 servings, or you can get it in stick packs, and it starts at $19.99. All right, so now that I have it all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and drink it down. Like drinking juice, y'all. It's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go so I can finish up my fiber supplement. But if you are interested in trying Bellway, definitely check out the link in my description box and use my coupon code here to get 20% off of your first order. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So today I have an event. Of course, I'm bringing you guys along like usual. It's for a virtual baby shower, so I'm going to be doing a back. You saw the picture, no need to explain, but I do want to show you guys what I'm going to be using to create this look. I have some Gmar shiny green. I have some Tough Text forest green, as well as Tough Text mint green, and then I'm going to incorporate some orbs in rose gold, as well as some rose gold confetti. So that's the look for today. I did start blowing up some balloons that I want to show you guys. I won't be getting a U-Haul today, so I did start blowing up whatever would fit inside of my friend Shayna's car. So far I've done some clusters. So this is what the colors look like, and they're all blown up together. I've only done 6 clusters, and then I've also blown up some 5 inches that I have inside of this 55-gallon bag. And this is what the dark green looks like. So I'm gonna blow up to fill up these 2 bags. This one not all the way because it is jumbo. You guys saw that in the last vlog. And then I'm gonna do the rest there. So I'm going to probably focus more on how I'm going to hang this time, because this is something that I hardly ever get to focus on with you guys. So I do want to focus on that and try not to make this vlog too long, because I am using the same method that I used in the last vlog. But I'm going to show you guys as much as I can. I left my camera charger at home, so I'm hoping it doesn't die. If it does, I'll start to record on my phone, because the 12 does do good quality. But you guys just stay tuned. I'm just going to get these balloons blown up, and then I will be back with you guys once I arrive at the venue, so we can finish blowing up whatever I have left and get it hung up. So see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back, same spot, haven't made it yet, but I wanted to give you guys just a quick update here. I finished blowing up all of my clusters. That's all I'm doing today. So I have this bag full of large clusters and my orbs, and then I have this bag over here with all of my small clusters, then my bag with all of my equipment in it, my pump, all the balloons and all that stuff. So I won't be driving or renting a U-Haul today because I have a good amount of time for setup. So I like to get, when I don't get a U-Haul, I like to at least get all of the tedious stuff done that I can fit inside of the vehicle that I'll be driving. Today Shayna's gonna be taking me, of course. So this all should fit in her car, and then once I get there, all I have to do is get the base done, which is really, really quick for me. It doesn't really take me a lot of time to do the base. And then I will get my clusters added on, you know, put that designer pizzazz, and we'll be up out of there. So hopefully setup doesn't take me longer than about an hour, but we'll see when we get there. Another thing, my hands are ashy because, you know, the balloon powder, not ashy, it's the balloon powder. But I've been wearing these press-on nails because we did a photo shoot yesterday, and I've blown up all these balloons and they have not come off. I am shook. I was sleeping on press-ons, but this looks really good, guys. So we'll see how long this actually lasts. But see you guys for real this time at the venue. All right, guys, it's time to get set up. I wanted to show you how I will be making this wall on today. My client had music playing, so I couldn't talk real time, but I just used command hooks and a 260 balloon, and I used 3 of them for the look that you're about to see. I put one in both corners and then at the very top. All right, so what I've done so far for you guys here is I have hung up the first piece of the garland that I put together with the top command hook and then the one on the bottom left. And now what I did was take a 260 and loop it onto that piece of garland, and now I'm taking my dupes, which are 2 balloons tied together, and I am using my figure 8 method to continue to build onto this garland to get it to the length that I wanted. I decided to do it this way for this event because I didn't want to have too many balloons left over. Shayna was actually blowing up the balloons for me, which is why you didn't see me blow them up this go around. But I blow up balloons in almost every vlog, so I'm sure you guys should have that down by now. And if you're new here, you definitely want to check out at least 2 vlogs ago where I was able to go really, really far in depth as far as how I create the garlands, blowing them up, and all that jazz. And here's where you can see where I ended that first 260. I just picked up another dupe, grabbed another 260, tied the knot to that one, and then I'm just going to keep on creating the garland until I get to a point where it's touching the floor and I have the volume that I want. And I'm just simply using the figure 8 method to attach these balloons. I'm not putting them in any particular order. I'm just kind of playing it by eye as I'm building it and using what Shayna's blowing up, the different size clusters, and just kind of placing them where they need to go to fill the gap. This is what it looked like after I got the base all completed. Now I'm going to take my large 32-inch balloons and put them in spaces to fill in some of those larger gaps, and then I'm going to add in my large clusters that I created using the various colors. And this is what it looks like once I put the large clusters in. You can see how the dimension comes in compared to how boring the rest of it is. I added in some greenery to give it a little bit more dimension and texture, and this is how it looks with all of the 5-inch clusters, large clusters, and 32-inch balloons added. And this is how it looked once everything was completed. It's basically a process. You start off with your base, throw in those super large balloons to fill in large gaps. Then you want to add in your larger clusters if you created some of those. I don't do that every single time, but I do love the way it makes the garland look. And then you want to add in your 5-inch clusters, and then if you have any type of props like floral or greenery, you want to go ahead and add those in. This came out so beautiful. I was so happy with it. My client was playing music, so I didn't get a whole lot of footage, but I do hope this helped. And definitely check out my Oh Baby vlog that I did about 2 vlogs ago for more details on how to actually create the garland using my updated style. Thanks so much for watching, guys.